time. This time when they come around and they hit down the shoreline, back over towards 36. They'll be at the halfway mark. We're in the main basin here in Decatur, Illinois. It's where all the festive season activities are. The shoreline is lined with people. The beaches are full. The Down 7 is full. The ramps are full. The rooftops are full. The drive has got a great crowd.
There he goes. There he goes. Out front. He didn't get around, you know.
That's why you want to be in the lead.
He cut it though. I think this is just a practice, but I don't know. It might be the race. He's gonna get him. Look, he catching him again. He on his ass.
Pushes the weight and pushes it back, and it can't seem to get around the outside. White flag beat this way, it's got to go around one more time.
Yeah, the battle kind of fell me for second place. They're close to each other, and these boats can't get as close to each other as two high plates because of the amount of water they heave off and then they get caught in the corner.
He'd be catching them on that straightaway. Cutting his own lane. Ain't pick him off yet though. Getting close. There's folks everywhere.
Checkered flag being ready. Next time around, you'll be looking at your team's regional champion in the Jersey Speed Skip division for this party race for the late 2025 ATV.
Everybody everywhere. People everywhere.
So both Pat and Samantha want some, or it's Jerry.
Sit down, baby.
Be the rider, but it's a family affair. Both solid, man. He's been running good all weekend so far. I mean, nobody's gotten near him. The only time he sees him ahead, he's waving before they get to the finish.
That's what
hey, you know what? Come on, that's hamming it up a little bit. Stay focused. Third place is Kryptonite.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
He picked him off there, didn't he?
That was the measure for me miles we went the race. We just go.
Oh, he's too far on the outside.
And then his podium finish. Doesn't matter what it is, he just wants it.
Oh, I thought he said final lap.
Well,